So now I'm going to show you how to subtotal things. So again, this is part of our interrogating this data. So one of the things that we might be interested in knowing is not just the information per campus. After all, we have institutions that have multiple campuses on them, and we're getting the information for specific campuses. But what if we want to know about an institution as a whole? So, for example, with Central Community College, they have a number of campuses, 3 of them, and they have different uh, numbers of violations that have been committed on their campuses. One campus, the main campus, seems to be doing pretty well, but the other 2 campuses have a number of violations. So it'd be interesting to be able to see at a glance how many violations an institution has. So the first thing we want to do is, because we want to know, we want this to sort by institution, we want to know all of the totals for the institution column here. We want to make sure that this column is sorted accurately. And it is already. We have it in alphabetical order, so that's just fine. If you didn't have it in alphabetical order, what you would do is go to sort, and you would just do sort A to Z, which is what it currently is. So now that we are in that space, we can go to data, we can go to subtotal, and here it is, institution name. That's what we want the sorting to be done by. And we want to take a look at the totals for illegal weapons possessions, total drug violations, and liquor violations. And why don't we say totals too? So we're going to hit click. I'm not going to do page breaks between them. I'm just going to do click. It's going to take a second, and we'll see how each campus is doing. So for example, if we go back to the college that we looked at before, Central, now we see that we have all of the violations added up here. And we can see it at a glance. It's nice. They do bold here. It kind of separates it out for you. And we have, for institution-wide, they have 61 total violations, 47 which are liquor violations, and 13 which are drug violations, 1 illegal weapon violation across the 3 campuses. Okay, that's another thing you're going to do for your final project.